Hello, Barry Anderson at Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Great. We're looking at MCLO, okay? So this is a casino. I don't know if they're only in Macau, but certainly a big presence in Macau. So the news this morning was that Macau to reopen for tours from mainland China, okay? This was the news this morning. So most of the Macau stocks, the LVSs, the MGMs, the WINs, WYNN, and any casino that had a casino in, or a casino company that had a casino in Macau, basically had this sort of a pop. So that's what made this a great trade. Interestingly, it did not win one race, okay? However, it was moving up the leaderboard and it was always near the top. But at the end of the 4 minutes that I run a race, it did not actually win a race. Doesn't mean you can't click on a symbol as you see it moving up though, okay? So that's what made this one great. I don't know what it's going to do now. Maybe it's going to give it up a lot, or maybe later on in the day it's going to pop again. All right, everybody, I want to get back into the trading room. So I'll open the room tomorrow at 8 o'clock in the morning, Eastern time. Hope to see you then. Bye-bye.